this is Josephine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be making my favourite plant-based milk, which is cashew milk from scratch. I thought I'd do this sort of video to show you how easy it is to make things from home, and of course it tastes so much better than the store-bought version. So I can't wait to share this video with you. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and let's get started. This is a simple but effective recipe. Start off with cashews. I've used 2 cups of cashews today for a really thick, creamy milk, but it's just as effective with 1 cup of cashews. So first you want to soak those cashews. I've used hot water and left them to soak for at least 2 hours. Then you drain your cashews and they should be big and fluffy, full of water. You can now add them into your blender along with about 4 times as much water until the blender is nice and full, and then add your flavourings of choice. I've added a splash of vanilla as well as some salt. Some sugar goes really well, before blending that for about 10 minutes. Then you want to use a cheesecloth or a clean tea towel and pour that mixture into the cloth. Then twist the top of the cloth and squeeze out that cashew milk into a bowl. You'll be left with some residue, which I keep aside, don't throw it away. You can bake that later in a cookie, and then you're done.